Good day, everyone. Let's understand how to build our route path in Lifetechocms using LtRoute. Firstly, LtRoute is a turning routing layer in Lifetechocms, which helps you to map your incoming HTTP method plus your route path to a corresponding route handler. It helps you to capture your route parameters and register your route. So let's explain the path properly. LtRoute is a router class in Lifetechocms using Pascal naming convention LT plus route. LT stands for Lifetechocms, followed by the PHP static scope operator, followed by the method. The method is the HTTP verb get, post, put, path, delete, and the rest. So followed by your route path. Your route path is when your server matches the domain. So your route path is the path that you're going to add to your website domain, as you have said before, your base URL, to form all your endpoint. So the route handler is when you execute when your HTTP method match your route path. So automatically, once your HTTP method get or put matches your route path, then it will execute the route handler. The route handler comes in two forms. You can invoke your controller or return a closure function. So we're going to explain that in our next video. The last one is the naming method, which is optional here. It's optional route name for routing and consistency. So if you add this name here, it's gonna name this route path. So you can use the route name anywhere from another page. Let's look at examples of LRoute syntax we have built. You can see this now. /book. They are using different methods. So this is when you are going to get when you are using get method. This is when you are using post method, and we are invoking a book controller here. So let's look at the checklist. So your route path, don't forget we're starting with / plural names for collection and filter inquiry. No verbs in your path. You don't use a get book ID or something like that. You rely on the HTTP method and the name public routes. Yeah, optionally you can name a public card because you are gonna use those routes on another page. So on our next video, we're gonna look at route handler, how we can invoke a controller, and how we can use a closure function in our next video. Thank you so much.